offering the Builders of Tomorrow Summer Camp to students in high school in the South Florida community to give them an opportunity to learn about what is construction management from an academic perspective and what a career in construction management would look like. And we do this through an array of hands-on activities that we offer that are led by industry partners. And all around, it's really given them a feel from the college perspective and then the professional aspect of it all.
In the summer of 2011, I came not knowing what to expect from construction management. 2 years later, in 2013, I graduated with a degree in construction management. The learning and the experience that I got on those job sites changed my life forever. I'm in debt to FIU and to this program, so anything that I can do for the students and to make sure that the Builders of Tomorrow are more successful and are better prepared, I'm all for it.
I have been involved in this summer camp with FIU for 4 years already. I really enjoy doing the classes, the section with the students. That really helped me to interact with students, kind of give them a feedback from industry perspective, and I hope that's going to help the students in the future.
For the students that are able to come to this camp, I really hope that this, broadens their knowledge in engineering and construction management. I feel like if I would have had an experience like this at their age, I would have looked at things maybe differently.
One of the biggest things that we look for is, ways and opportunities that we can give back to the communities that we live and play in. And this is a fantastic way to do that, to help the youth, mentor them, give them exposure, and let them know that construction is the way you want to go.
My favorite part of the camp so far was visiting the construction site. I found it to be very interesting because once the building is finished, you don't see what's really on the inside, and visiting the site before it was done, you get to see a bunch of stuff that really goes down and everyone just working together to finish up.
Even though my team didn't do the best, I liked working on the Lego project. We all got a good team bonding experience and we all became friends. And since then we were all talking the whole week.
I think the most educational part that I really liked was the speed mentoring, when the people came in and told us what it was, because it really opened my eyes to what construction management is.
My advice to other students would be, honestly, just do it. Just sign up.
Find your people.
Ask questions for anything you want, because they'll always give you an answer.
Try to talk to people, don't be scared. Everyone here is their own person, and most people haven't been here before, so it's everyone's first experience as well.
Don't be afraid to join. It's really fun, and just enjoy the most of it. It goes by fast, really quick.